Hey everyone! Welcome to this brand new series where we'll dive deep into the world of Java programming, one of the most powerful and widely used languages in the world. What is Java? Java is a high-level object-oriented programming language developed to be simple, secure, and platform-independent. It was designed with the philosophy of write once, run anywhere. This means that you can write your Java code once and run it on any device that supports Java, whether it's Windows, Mac, Linux, or even Android devices. Java is used to build everything from mobile apps and desktop software to large-scale enterprise systems and even embedded devices. In short, Java is simple and easy to learn, object-oriented, platform-independent, secure, and robust, widely used in real-world applications. History of Java. Let's rewind a bit and look at how Java came into existence. Java was created in 1991 by a group of engineers led by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems. Originally, it was called Oak, named after an oak tree that stood outside Gosling's office. But later, in 1995, it was renamed to Java, inspired by the coffee from Java Island. Java quickly gained popularity because of its portability, reliability, and ability to run on the internet, which was booming during that time. In 2010, Oracle Corporation acquired Sun Microsystems and took over Java's development. Today, Java is everywhere, powering Android apps, server-side applications, and even financial services. How Java and the computer work. Now, let's talk about how Java actually works with your computer. When you write a Java program, you're writing code in a file with the .java extension. This code is called source code. When you compile this code using the Java compiler, Javac, it gets converted into something called bytecode, a platform-independent code with the .class extension. This bytecode is not directly understood by your computer. Instead, it is run inside something called the Java Virtual Machine, JVM. The JVM acts like an interpreter. It reads the bytecode and converts it into machine code, which your computer understands. This is what makes Java platform independent. The same bytecode can be executed on any device that has a compatible JVM. So the process looks like this: source code .java, arrow, bytecode .class, arrow, JVM arrow, machine code. This is end of video. We have covered all three. Topic 1, what is Java? 2, history of Java. 3, how Java and the computer work.